Hello and welcome to Spanish Lesson 2. Today, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Spanish. Simple but powerful phrases to talk about who you are, where you're from, and what you like. Let's begin. My name is John. In Spanish, we say, Me llamo John. Repeat after me. Me llamo John. It means I call myself John. That's how you say your name. I am John. You can also say, Soy John. Let's try it. Soy John. Short and direct. My surname is Doe. Surname in Spanish is apellido. Say, Mi apellido es Doe. Repeat with me. Mi apellido es Doe. I am from New Zealand. To say where you're from, soy de Nueva Zelanda. Say it again. Soy de Nueva Zelanda. I live in Freiburg. To say where you live, vivo en Freiburg. Repeat after me. Vivo en Freiburg. I speak English and Spanish. In Spanish, hablo inglés y español. Try it. Hablo inglés y español. I am 33 years old. You say, Tengo 33 años. Literally, it means I have 33 years. Repeat after me. Tengo 33 años. I am a teacher. If you're male, say, Soy profesor. If you're female, say, Soy profesora. Let's try both. Soy profesor or Soy profesora. Builder. Say, Estoy casado. If you're male, or Estoy casada. If you're female. Try it now. Estoy casado. Estoy casada. I have children. Say, Tengo hijos. Repeat after me. Tengo hijos. My hobbies are traveling and teaching. In Spanish, mis pasatiempos son viajar y enseñar. Say it again. Mis pasatiempos son viajar y enseñar. I have pets. I have a dog and a parrot. Say, Tengo mascotas. Tengo un perro y un loro. Repeat with me. Tengo mascotas. Tengo un perro y un loro. Awesome work. Now you know how to introduce yourself in Spanish. Let's review everything one more time. English to Spanish recap. My name is John. Me llamo John. I am John. Soy John. My surname is Doe. Mi apellido es Doe. I am from New Zealand. Soy de Nueva Zelanda. I live in Freiburg. Vivo en Freiburg. I speak English and Spanish. Hablo inglés y español. I am 33 years old. Tengo 33 años. I am a teacher. Soy profesor, profesora. I am married. Estoy casado, casada. I have children. Tengo hijos. My hobbies are traveling and teaching. Mis pasatiempos son viajar y enseñar. I have pets. I have a dog and a parrot. Tengo mascotas. Tengo un perro y un loro. Keep practicing, and soon you'll introduce yourself like a native speaker. See you in the next lesson. Hasta pronto.